Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. So I'm back with a very interesting topic today. With the ever increasing data volume, the need to store, process and analyze the data efficiently also grew. And hence, the organization these days are shifting to distributed or cloud platforms. So, to reduce the complexities in managing and processing the data, various cloud providers emerged. I will talk about AWS in this video. And amongst the various solutions like analytics, migration, data engineering, machine learning, etc., I will discuss some AWS data engineering courses that can prove valuable to the learners. So, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to Journey with Data. So the first course is from Pluralsight and it is processing data on AWS. Now, this course will help you learn the data processing with AWS, in fact, the fundamentals of data processing. And this topic is very important in the AWS domain certification, as it is mentioned here, as it accounts for 24% in the data analytics specialty certification. Now, what you learn in this course? You learn how to process large amounts of data, and first you'll explore data processing with Lambda and Glue, and then you will discover the basics of Hadoop ecosystem and how to use it with AWS EMR. I think which is very important in a data engineer's journey, the point on how to process large amounts of data. That's very important. And finally, you learn how to automate data processing using AWS pipeline. And then after the course is finished, you'll also get a certification. So if you're planning to go for certain certifications or if you're planning to begin your journey in AWS, you can give this course a try. So the next course is from Udemy and it is Data Engineering Serverless ETL and BI on Amazon Cloud. And this is a data warehousing and ETL on AWS Cloud. And in case you're already familiar with AWS services, then you should go ahead and give this course a try because this course will help you learn set up a data warehouse on AWS Cloud using Redshift. This will also teach you how to store data in S3 lakes using Parquet file format. You'll also learn data centralization. You'll also learn how to pull data into QuickSight, which is a BI reporting tool. And then you'll also learn and automate the ETL processes using different serverless components like AWS Glue, data pipeline, Lambda functions. You'll also learn to create triggers and automate Glue jobs using Lambda function. So to learn all of these things, you should already be familiar with the AWS services. And then you need to have a hands-on expertise on Python and SQL. You should have a technical background or a prior experience in PySpark and a basic understanding of cloud components, as I've already mentioned. So this course is basically for someone who is already familiar with AWS services and is interested in knowing on how ETL and a data warehouse is set up on the cloud using AWS. Then you should go ahead and give this course a try. So the next course in the AWS analytics space is from Udemy and it is data engineering using AWS analytics services. And this course is ideal from a beginner level to an intermediate level. This course is also ideal for someone who is planning to explore data engineering using AWS analytics services. And you'll get to learn the services like Glue, EMR, Athena, QuickSight, and you'll also learn about S3 buckets, IAM roles and policies, cross-region replication, and so on. So this is what you'll learn. And as mentioned here, you'll also learn about EMR, you'll learn on scheduling, about streaming, about running Athena queries, Redshift cluster, on data ingestion using Lambda functions, data processing using Athena, and so on. So this is an overview. And this is the entire course content, which starts from getting started, which starts from basically creating buckets in S3 and creating IAM groups and users, overview of roles, then moving on to the storage, version control in S3, and so on. So this is the entire course content. And to begin this course, all you need to know is Python, Spark, and SQL. So that's the prerequisite for this. And this is a high level summary that this course contains. a setup development environment, getting started, overview of Glue components, exploring Glue jobs, and so on. So this is the entire course content. So if you are also planning to explore data engineering using AWS Analytics Services, so you can surely give this course a try. So the next course is from Coursera, and it is Getting Started with Data Analytics on AWS. Now, this is a beginner friendly course with a duration of 74 minutes and contains nearly 10 videos and some descriptive lectures. Now, this course will teach you different types of data analysis, namely descriptive, diagnostic, etc. You'll also learn how to build simple visualizations in AWS using S3, CloudTrail, and Athena. You'll also learn how to perform descriptive data analytics in the cloud. So, this is an approximately 4 hours course, and you should give it a try because it's a beginner friendly course, and it is always good to learn more about data analytics, and it's good to have the basics in place before beginning any other course. So this is from Coursera. So last but not the least is a course from Pluralsight, and it is Implementing Analytics and Real-Time Data in AWS. And as the name implies, this course will teach you how to handle real time data in AWS. You'll also learn about streaming services like Kinesis. Now let's have a look about the course and the course content. The first section is Streaming Data in AWS, wherein you learn about Kinesis, how to create Kinesis data streams, sending data and Kinesis data analytics, and so on. So this section is all about streaming data in AWS. And then the next section being analyzing big data in AWS, wherein you'll learn about Amazon EMR and big data workloads, how to create an EMR cluster, Amazon Redshift and data warehouse, creating a Redshift cluster, and so on. And third is using application integration services in AWS, diving into Amazon SQS, creating and configuring SQS queues, and so on. And the last section being implementing AWS IoT. So, this is also a great course for someone who is trying to get a perspective into big data analytics using AWS, who is trying to get a perspective into AWS services, and basically trying to learn about data, basically trying to learn about data engineering. If you are planning to build a new competency, or if you are a data engineer who is trying to learn more about AWS services, someone who is trying to make most from the data, or probably trying to learn on how to handle big data using AWS services, then these videos or these courses can give you an idea. These courses can help you. However, this is not the end of the list. This is just a compilation based on my observation and my personal experience, and I hope this video helps you in some way or the other. So feel free to subscribe to Journey with Data. Thank you so much.